Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my coconuts layered card. I think you can figure out why I call it that, but how cool is this design? You know, those broken coconuts there in the front, right there on the sand. You had the foliage in the background with the palm tree, and that really calm, beautiful water in the background. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This layered card is really fast to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines. Come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer up the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the blue layer, dark green, lighter green, light brown, cream, darker brown, and then the tan color. I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. We can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along that score line. Let's open up that card, attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card base and we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there we go. I will set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Now we can make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our coconut layered card is all set. How cool was this card to put together? Wasn't it easy? I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.